14, 15 series front camera repair FPC and adapter support V1 Pro and V1Z. There is the problem of out-of-focus photography of front camera and rear camera lag after cinematic mode is switched caused by replacing with the front camera of 14 series mobile phones. There is the problem of unsuccessful photography of front camera and saved photos and the progress bar of recorded videos with white backgrounds caused by replacing with the front camera of 15 series mobile phones. Unbinding the mobile phone is necessary before repairing. With the original FPC, you can also choose to unbind by scanning QR code to scan the QR code on the iron sheets. To unbind, use the repair fitting and brushing to unbind if there is no original accessories. When unbinding via flashing, please note that the firmware needs to be downloaded from the third party, demonstrated by real iPhone 14. Turn off the phone, remove the front camera. Then prepare a same type front camera for disassembly. Remove the front camera, solder the JCID front camera repair FPC. Then use the air gun to heat it up to remove the iron cover. Reheat the FPC and remove it. Clean up the residual glue. Apply the flux, put it on the two sides. Align JCID front camera repair FPC to the position accurately. Apply the flux. Start soldering. Buckle the camera with well-soldered FPC on corresponding socket of 14 to 15 series front camera R and W adapter. Connect the unbound phone to V1 Pro with a data cable. It displays that the front camera code has been captured by cloud. Then click Cloud Burn. Find the data of the front camera. Burn the front camera code. It displays that data write successful. Install the camera. The front camera is frozen after the phone is booted up. Only need to flash the phone with the third-party platform. The camera problem can be repaired. Activate the phone after flashing is done. The focus of the front camera is normal. There is no rear camera lag after cinematic mode is switched. The repair method for 15 series mobile phones is the same as 14 series. After the repairing is done, the photo becomes normal and there is no white background when taking photo. The progress bar of recorded videos is without white background.